Hi, I'm Cori from Cori Style, and today's video will be an unboxing. In a previous video, I mentioned that I finally finished my Sylvanian Family collection, but today I'm gonna show you this last family because I got it as a gift for my birthday. So this time I got the Biscuit bear parents. In the previous video I showed you the brother and the sister. I really like the design on them, and well, let me start the unboxing. First of all, well, in the outside of the box you can always find like the information of the brand, the name of the family, the ID, and some extra information that in this case it's all in Japanese. Once we open the box, you can see this cute small detail on one of the sides. And we also get, as usual, the small storybook. I really like these very small books, especially because when they are in Japanese, I can use them to practice. Since, as you may know, I use this channel to practice languages. And in here I'm also gonna show you another tiny box I'm keeping from the Sylvanian Families, where I keep all the small storybooks I have been collecting. This is how the family looks outside of the box. And I am just gonna take everything out from here so I can show you on a more detailed way. The first thing is this floor plan. I think that's the name of this. A compass, a toy car, and a tiny dollhouse. Now I'm gonna continue with the bear dad. I really like the colors on his outfit. The only issue that I have with this is that the vest came in like too tight on him, and I noticed when I remove it, it left a dent on the fur of the bear. You can see here the dent, and this is kind of hard to fix, but I will try my best to fix it. Now the mom bear. She also has a very pretty outfit. I really like the red ribbon she's wearing, but she also had the same issue. The vest she has was too tight and it left another mark on the fur. This one is a little bit softer than the one in the dad, but I will still try to fix it. And lastly, we have the baby bear. He's so small and super cute and fluffy. I was not expecting to have this family. So now that I have it, I'm very, very happy because I will have the whole family with the brother and sister. And I really like the design of the whole family. I think it's gonna fit perfectly with my collection. And well, at the moment, I'm gonna say it again. I think I finally completed my Sylvanian family collection. And well, my friends, that will be it for today. I hope you have a nice day, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.